Hi, I'm Caroline with Eat, Hike, Love, and this is video number 2 in your series of 5 about your list of backpacking gear, what to bring on our weekend backpacking retreat. So in this video, we're talking about food and drink accessories. As you know, all your food and drink will be provided for you during our retreat together. I'm putting together a fantastic menu that I can't wait to eat with you. You're welcome to bring your own snacks if you want to, of course. I'll never prevent that. And you're also going to need to bring things to prepare your food and store your food. So I'm going to go over that with you now. The first item on your list is a stove with a little pot, something to cook with. So backpacking stoves can be tiny. This is the one that I'm going to bring. Comes in this great little carrying case. And this is the stove. It fits together with this specific gas can. This is a fuel that's made for backpacking stoves. It's a 4-season butane mix. And the stove just screws right onto the top of the can. This is the size of the can that you want. 220 grams, 7.75 ounces. This fuel comes in a smaller can and a bigger can. The smaller one probably is enough for our weekend, but it might not be enough, so this gives you a little bit of peace of mind knowing you're not going to run out. The larger one is way too big. You don't need that much, so go for this size. You also want to make sure that your stove comes with a pot that you can cook with. So this is the pot that I'm going to be bringing. It's got this nice handle on it. It's got a lid, so you'll be able to not only boil water in here, but also actually cook things. And the menu that I'm providing for you does require us to simmer things a little bit, so be prepared for that. You're also going to need to bring a water filter or a water pump, and this can be shared with another person on the trip, someone you know or someone you don't. I can help you arrange a buddy to share with. And there's a couple different options for water treatment. We absolutely have to treat our water to make sure that it doesn't get us sick and cause any parasitic infections. So we can do one of two things. This is the system I like to use. It's called the Sawyer Squeeze. And you fill this bag with water from the creek or the lake, and you screw this filter onto the bag and you squeeze it through into your water bottle. Prevents anything from staying in the water. Another option is a water pump, which is a little bit bigger, a little heavier, but very user-friendly and equally effective. The pump looks like this. You got a couple tubes, one goes in the water, one comes out into your water bottle, pump it here. You can share this with someone to split the weight a little bit. Either of these are great options for our trip. You're gonna need to bring something to eat with, so a spork. You're also gonna want a bowl. If you don't plan on eating directly out of your cooking pot, bring a little lightweight bowl. Something like this would do, really light and durable. Also something like this, which is collapsible. This works too, so you got options there. And also a mug, something to drink out of. So some gals like to bring their Hydro Flask mugs, which will keep your hot chocolate hot, keep your coffee hot, but those are pretty heavy and they're pretty bulky. What I like to bring instead is just a little mug like this. My coffee doesn't stay hot long, but the mug stays hot, so on a chilly morning or a chilly evening, holding onto it helps warm up my fingers. This is my recommendation. Bring the mug that you love the most. It's up to you. Your water bottles. Bring a couple of 1-liter water bottles. Bring something lightweight like this. Again, your Hydro Flasks are heavy and they're bulky, so I recommend bringing something that's lightweight and plastic, or something that's made of a lightweight metal like this one. And you want 2 of them so that you've always got enough water to stay hydrated and for cooking. And the last thing I'm asking you to bring is a stuff sack to keep your food in. So I'll be providing you with an odor-proof bag with all your food, but it doesn't have anything to hang with. And we do need to hang our food at night and when we're away from our campsite to prevent rodents from getting into it. So this is a great option. This is a 15-liter stuff sack. You can put your food in it, you can wrap it up, and then clip it to our little rope. And when we leave for the day for our day hike or at night, it'll be up and away from the reach of rodents. So that's video number 2, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.